Welcome back. This is our video 15. This is our video 15. Yeah, we are done with 7 volt acting alone. The next thing now is 5 ampere acting alone. 5 ampere acting alone. I will have to remove the 7 volts too. We don't want it to act. I will have to remove it and then bridge it. I will have to introduce the 5 ampere the way it is given. I will have to introduce the 5 ampere, and then that means I will introduce an additional mesh, which is I4, Now, having introduced that, so we are having 4 mesh now. This is 5 ampere. We want to investigate when 5 ampere is acting alone. When 5 ampere is acting alone. So it's like we have 4 mesh now. So let's take it one by one. Let's take this mesh. Since I4 is here, and this current source is also here, which is 5 ampere, definitely I4 must be equal to 5 ampere. Because a current source will dictate the current that is passing through it. So, but let's assume, just for teaching purpose, suppose I have indicated it this way. If I have indicated that way, which is opposite, that means I4 should have been what? Should have been minus 5. You understand? So if I indicated it like this, that means I will write that I4 equals minus 5. But now it's not like that. This is the way I've indicated it. So we are free to say that I4 equals 5. You don't need to write KVL. Remember, don't write KVL for any loop where you have a current source. Don't write KVL for any loop where you have a current source. I've told you earlier in one of the earlier videos. Now, let's take this mesh. If you take that mesh, we know that 2 resistors are here. I will say 3 I1. I1 is going like this. I4 is going like that. This will be I1 minus I4 plus 4 ohm. This will be I1. I1 is going down. I2 is going up. I1 minus I2. That will be I1 minus I2. That will be equal to 0 since there is no EMF there. Let me check again. I1 like this. I4 opposite. I1 minus I4. 4 ohm. I1 is going down. I2 is going up. I1 minus. So let me combine them. So this will be for I1. For I1, I will have 3 plus 4. That is 7 I1. 7 I1 minus 4 I2. But I4 is 5. If I4 is 5, this will be 3 minus. So this will be like minus 15 equals 0. Because if this is 5, that will be minus 15. So I can rewrite it as 7 I1 minus 4 I2 plus 0 I3 equals 15. That's the second equation. I will be eliminating I4. You remember, when we have more than 3 unknowns, we will eliminate some, remaining 3. We have said that. Here we have 4 unknowns, we are going to eliminate 1 and retaining 3. Now, let's go to this mesh. This mesh, that mesh is, there is 0 there, EMF. We are going to have 5 into I2 is going to, so into I3 minus I2, because I3 is going like that, I2 is going opposite, plus this one, that will be I3, 1 ohm, I3 is going through it. So I can write that I'm having 0 I1 minus 5 I2 plus 6 I3. This is another equation. This can be my equation 1, my equation 2, my equation 3. Let me go for the fourth one. There is 0 there, no EMF there. I will have 2I2 plus 6 I2. You know, 6 now. Unlike before, when this one was open, I4, there is no current there, but now it's going to be I2 is going up, I4 is going down. That would be I2 minus I4. I2 is drawing current in the 6 ohm up. I4 is bringing it down. So that would be I3 minus I4. Then plus 4 into I2 minus I1, because I1 is bringing current down, plus 5 into I2 minus I3. I2 is sending current like this, I3 is sending it like that, which is opposite. So from here, I can say that 0 equals, I have minus 4I1, because there is I1 here, minus 4I1. For the I2, I have 2 plus 6, that is 8, plus 4, 12, plus 5, 17, plus 17, I2. For the I3, I have minus 5, I3. And then there is an I4 here. I4 is 5. So that would be 5 times 6, that would be minus 30. Minus 30 equals 0. So that minus 30 can go to the other side and it's going to become what? Plus 30. So I can remove this and write this as equal to 30. So I can now write, this is equation 4. I can now write in matrix form. If I'm writing in matrix form, the 3 equations from equation 2, that would be 0, 0, 0 equals, for the first one, I will have, this should be 15. And this should be 30. So, for the first one, I have 7 minus 4, 0. For the second one, I have 0, I have minus 5, and I have 6. For the last one, I have minus 4, 17, and then minus 5. This will be I1, I2, I3. So my I1 is going to be, my calculator, please be calculating ahead for me. 7 minus 4, 0, 0 minus 5, 6, minus 4, 17, minus 5. And then this will be 15, 0, 30. I will have minus 4, minus 5, 17. I will have here 0, 6, minus 5. So, by the time our mom help us to calculate this, let me divide my page. So this is supposed to be something over something. Please always put the unit of ampere. If the previous one I didn't put ampere, that's an error, that's a mistake. That should not be repeated. I believe you are still going to have 443 here. Am I correct? Minus 443, and on top, what are we having on top? Man, thank you very much. You are doing a good job. If we don't get the answer, students will have to go and redo it on their own. But I've shown you the way. Maybe we should stop here. Stop. Or you want to continue?